This is the last segment for chapter 1.7. I'm doing number 31, 35, and 37. Let's start with number 31. Read the instruction again. So the area of a rectangle is 18 square inches. So you know that A is equal to area. A is equal to 18. The length of the rectangle is twice its width. So let me draw this. Here's a rectangle. You know it's a rectangle. The length is twice the width. So let's say the width, we don't know what it is. The width is W. Then you know that the length is 2W because it's twice the width. Find the length and the width of the rectangle. So now I need to figure out what W and what the length is. Well, usually when they give you an area, always plug into the formula. So what is the formula for area of a rectangle? Base times height. So I want to do A is equal to base times height. Now, how am I gonna use this? Well, I know that A is 18, so I could just that's what A is, 18. So I'm gonna put 18 equals to base times height. Now, what else can I do here? You got to use all the information that is given to you. So I know I used the area. Now I got to use the other information here. I know that the base is 2W. So I could keep the 18. 18 is equal to, that's what the base is, 2W. So I'm going to put 2W times the height. Well, do I know what the height is? The height is W. So now just work it out. It's in terms of W. Now you can solve for what W is. So W, which is the width. 18 is equal to 2W squared, right? Because W times W. Now divide by 2, so I have W squared is equal to 9. W, now to solve for this, you need to take the square root. Square root. So that means W is equal to square root of 9 is 3. So then, yeah, now I figure out W. So W is the width. I know this is 3. And I also know, since this is 3, 2 times 3, so I know this is 3, 2 times 3 is 6. So that you have your width is 3 and your length is 6. Now you gotta plug it back in just to see if it makes sense. Well, area is 18. I know that 3 times 6 is 18, so it makes sense. That's number 31. Now let's do number 35. It says, find the side length of the square with the given area. Write your answers. So now given area again, and what area formula are you gonna use? Are you gonna use circle? You gonna use square, rectangle? Well, it's given right here. It's a square, so it's an area of a square. A is equal to 3, 4, 6. Let's put that for a start. And what's the formula for area of square? A is equal to S squared. That is the formula. And you know area is 346, so I could just put 346 is equal to S squared. Now it's asking for the side length. Well, I know the side is S, so I'm gonna take the square root here, take the square root here. The side is square root of 346. Well, what does that mean? Now, if you were to draw a picture, here's your square, and the side length is root 346. So this gotta be 346. That's what it means. Now let's do number 37. Well, actually, number 37 is the same thing. You plug in, you have the area being 1050, and then you have just plug into this formula. It's the same thing. So I'll let you do this on your own.